Today I'm going to show you how I like to use a gua sha. A gua sha is a traditional Chinese healing tool known to increase circulation, increase blood flow, relieve muscle tension, and reduce inflammation in the skin. A gua sha is typically made from a natural stone and it has different curves and angles which you use to massage the skin and hug the natural contours of your face. The skincare benefits of a gua sha is that it helps to sculpt the face, increase collagen production, reduce puffiness, plump the skin, and it also helps to penetrate your skincare deeper into the skin. I never use a gua sha on dry skin. I always start by applying my favorite facial oil or serum first, and this helps the gua sha to gently glide along the contours of my face for a really smooth and effortless massage. First I start by applying my favorite facial oil or serum, and then you take your clean gua sha and you can start massaging the skin. Now, as I mentioned, it does have different curves and angles, and that is used to naturally hug the contours of the face. Now, you can move and change the direction in which you use the gua sha depending on whereabouts you're using it. So let's start by using the gua sha to massage and contour my jawline. So we're going to take the gua sha on a 45-degree angle, and starting from the bottom of my chin, I'm going to lightly glide it up to the bottom of my ear. Now the facial oil does help it to glide along, but you can apply a bit more pressure if you need. And you can repeat this step, say 5 to 7 times on each side. Now we're going to massage the cheek area. So I'm going to take the gua sha and glide the flat edge along the natural contours of my cheekbone all the way up to my temple. Again, applying some light pressure and repeating 5 to 7 times. Now we can massage the forehead. So again, we're taking the flat edge and just lightly gliding it from the top of your brows up to your hairline. And you can start from the middle of your face and gently work your way out, repeating 5 to 7 times. When you're using the gua sha around the eye area, it's really important to be gentle as the skin is very delicate. So we're going to start by using the larger curve of the gua sha and lightly massaging it over the brow. You can stop just short of the temple and use a gentle hand to run it back and forward 5 to 7 times. And then you can repeat that same motion underneath. We can also work it above the brow bone to relieve any tension by holding it and placing your brow in the dip of the curve. And you can take that out to the temple and pause before repeating 5 to 7 times. I repeated the gua sha on the other side of my face, and already I can see what a big difference it's made. My skin is more plump, more lifted, and it's also added a natural flush to my cheeks, meaning I've increased the circulation. Now it's always important to clean your gua sha after use to stop the spread of bacteria. So either run it over with a damp cloth or put it under running water, dry it, and then you've got it ready for next time. A handy tip, I like to keep my gua sha where I watch TV. That way I can simply use it while I'm relaxing and it becomes an effortless part of my self-care routine.